Puppy? Heartland. Puppy? Heartland. Puppy? Heartland.
That's pretty cool, Jack!
It is awesome! Oh, Lou, it even smells like new car. Grandpa,
Hey. Hey, let me share something. Hey guys, what's up? I am so, see, I'm tired. It's been a long, well, not a long day, it's just been really crazy with the weather here. It has, been like this all day. Seriously. But I just went outside for, 5 minutes just to get some, my energy out, and I'm tired. So now I'm going to, I got my TV on. And I'm going to watch, I think I'm going to try to see if I can find Where Hope Grows, which is kind of cool that you can find different, movies and stuff. So I'm going to see if I can find Where Hope Grows. I'm not sure if it's on Netflix or anything. But I don't like to search, get the remote and put the letters on one by one. So I think I just use my iPad. So, yeah. Now, okay. Hi, I don't know if I keep flipping it over. Sometimes it has the red thing, sometimes it doesn't. But, anyway, I'm on my computer, and I'm going to, I actually filmed, the last clip was from today, and then the next was from last night, so I'll put it in the video. If you guys get confused, saying that was a weird noise. But I'm going to go and check out the site that my friend told me about. Something about, you can watch movies for free, but anyway, this is from when I did in school. So as you can tell, I haven't been on my laptop since, yesterday or Wednesday, I don't know. But, yeah, so this is some math work from the site, so yeah. This is a really cool app called or not app, but site, but you can get it as an app. It's unavailable on the iOS. See? So yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna go check out the site my friend told me about, and then I'll see if it's legit. So yeah. Yes, it worked. It worked. Yes.
Everything that came after.
Yes, it worked. Thank you to my friend. I'm not gonna say her name because I don't know. She doesn't watch YouTube. So I'm not gonna say her name. I don't know why I'm whispering, but I'm not gonna say her name because she doesn't watch YouTube. So yeah, but yeah, thank you. Okay, I actually remember this scene in the book. I read the book, people. I did. I read it this summer. I did. People. I can prove it to you.
You okay, Lacey?
I've been better. You want to get in the tub with me? Not like that. Not like that.
Hey guys, this is gonna be miscellaneous clips. I'm not even, I only think it's even a week, because I filmed a week in the life or a week of the clips, but it's just gonna be random clips. And I am dressed, and I'm not gonna show you my shirt because it's my hometown and stuff, so yeah. But I'm about to sneeze, but anyway, so yeah. And so I'm getting ready to go, I'm gonna go swing, and it is and I told you I'd sneeze. It is 8:36, and my teacher's coming in at 9:15 or 9:30. She said it could be either, so I kind of need to go outside if I'm gonna, want to go outside. So, peace.